How I do keyword research for my blog through Semrush. So in this video, you will learn about how to do keyword research properly for your blog and any kind of blog like affiliate blog, your natural blog, traditional blog, any kind of website. This tutorial will be applied. Okay. So the rules is simple. You have to just subscribe my channel and follow these steps. If you follow these steps, I can guarantee you that if your blog site is beginner or starter, then this keyword research method will be help you so much to rank your blog website. So just wait and watch my video. Let's jump into my screen. Thank you. You can see I am in Semrush dashboard. For Semrush login, check my descriptions. There will be a link. We have to go to SEO, then select keyword magic tool. So you can see there is a keyword enter keyword input box, and I have selected US marketplace. That's why my blog is targeted with US audience. And suppose I have a cat niche website, I mean cat blog website. So I will find keyword about cat food. So just cat food and just click search. And you can see there's a lot of keywords, but we don't allow to pick up all of this keyword. Okay, so our main intention is we have to pick up under 1000 volume, because as our blog is a starter, that's why we need to pick the low volume keyword. So just click volume and from into 20 to 1000 and click apply. Okay, you can see our keyword is some decreased. So the KD means keyword difficulty. That's the Semrush measurement that you can compete with others or not. So if you choose easy, then you will see our keyword will be more decreased. You can see there is a 8000. So there is a three kinds of keywords, like one information article, like questions type, 2 number transactional, and 3 commercial. Commercial means, or transactional means, the buying keyword. Like you have a Amazon affiliate blog website, then it will be category of transactional and commercial. So I will show you today. Suppose I have a cat affiliate blog website, so that's why I have choose cat food. So for cat product or any kind of Amazon blog article or any kind of buying keyword, best for article will be best choice. So jump to include keyword and just input best for and click apply. You can see I have minimized to 8000 to 35600. So I can get all of this keyword, and I need to cross checking by another extension which is called keyword surfer. So our job is not done yet. So you have to select all the keyword and just click export, and you have to select all. So for now I will choose 100 and click export data. So you can see our data is exporting, and within some minutes it will download. Okay, so just wait for downloading, then I will show you in the next step. Okay, you can see our CSV file has been downloaded, but okay, CSV file, no problem. Just go to sheet, Google Sheet, and click Google Sheet and login. Go to Google Sheet homepage and click here, open file picker and click upload, or you can just drag and drop here. You can see our keyword is extracting, and okay, maybe there is a problem, that why it's not extracting. Okay, let it be. We will just copy here and come to here and just paste. You can see all the keyword are pasted. Now we have to cross checking that this volume is showing 1000. That's Semrush predictions. Okay, but we are not sure that that's the 1000 is correct or not. So that's why we need to cross checking. So just copy the first keyword and paste on the Google. You can see Semrush is showing 1000, but at keyword surfer is showing 3600. So how you can enable this extension? Just go to extension, click manage extensions, and go to Chrome Web Store and just click keyword surfer. So this, and you have to just click add to Chrome and it will be added. So I have already told you that under 1000 you have to choose the keyword, but there is showing 300, 3600. So then how we choose this keyword? Simple. We need to pick up the keyword from our Google suggestions. Just hover the mouse after alert this. You can see there's a lot of Google suggestions and you have to pick up the keyword with that. Like I have choose the first, and you can see there is showing 260 keyword volume. So this is our best keyword to choose and for write article. Okay, so just copy that and go back to Google Sheet and just right click and just click insert one row above and paste here. So by this method you have to pick up the keyword. Semrush is the just for your keyword idea or suggestions, but you have to filter the keyword with that method. This is super simple, right? If you do that proper way, I can guarantee you that your blog will be ranked soon at Bing and Google. But for right now, if you write article with AI, then try to target with Bing. In the next video, I will give you a full roadmap how you can rank on Bing and Google and get sales at Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, thank you so much. Just copy this simple trick and your blog will be boom. Thank you so much. We'll see in the next video. See you.